Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the fundamentals. Check your device date and time and correct them if wrong, because certificates rely on accurate clocks. Then note the exact browser error and the site domain so you know whether this is site-specific. Once done, try the site in a different browser or on another device. That isolates whether the problem is local. Make sure to avoid bypassing warnings yet. We are gathering facts first, so the next steps are precise and safe. Now you dig into the connection. Open the certificate details to see issuer, expiration, and domain match. This tells you whether the certificate is valid or misissued. Next, clear the browser's SSL state and flush your DNS cache. These cached entries can serve stale or mismatched certs. Also, remove cookies for the site. If you use a proxy or VPN, disable it briefly and reload the page, because intermediaries can present their own certificates and cause the error. Once these checks finish, reassess the message. To finish, update your browser and operating system to ensure trusted root certificates are current. If a specific certificate shows as untrusted, reinstall the missing root or intermediate certs from a trusted source. If the certificate is expired or for a different domain, contact the website owner so they can renew or correct it. Make sure to use a secure alternative site or wait for a fix rather than ignoring warnings. Troubleshooting tip: if errors persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.